Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at home. So dear students, did you remember that what we had discussed in previous video? We had discussed about the line, that was the classification of line. Coplanar line, parallel line, intersecting line, and the last one was perpendicular line. And before that topic, one another topic was that is how we construct any kind of triangle, any kind of angle by the protractor. So today we are going to discuss. Let's learn about the polygon. Let's learn about the polygons. So what is the polygon? The definition of polygon is a closed figure, a closed figure, closed figure, a closed figure which a closed figure which made up of a closed figure which made up of line segment. A closed figure which made up of line segment is called polygon. Is called polygon. A closed figure which made up of a closed figure which made up of line segment is called polygon. I'm just repeating once again. A closed figure which made up of line segment is called polygon. For example, triangle. For example, triangle. And second is rectangle, quadrilateral. Second is quadrilateral. And third is pentagon. First is triangle, second is quadrilateral, and third is pentagon. So this is the best example for the polygon. Now next one is triangle. A, B and C. Next one is triangle. A, B and C. Triangle has three sides. Triangle has three angles. Triangle has three vertex. Side, if you are talking about the side, then side is equal to AB, BC and AC. Angle, if you are talking about the angle, then in three letter, angle ABC, angle BAC and angle ACB. And if you are talking about the vertex, then vertex is equal to A, B and C. If you are talking about the vertex, that is A, B and C. So triangle has three sides, triangle has three angles, triangle has three vertices. Now after triangle, classification of triangle. Next topic is classification of triangle. Next one is classification of triangle. Triangle divided into two parts. First, biside triangle are three types, biangle triangle are three types, biside triangle are three types. If you are talking about the bisides, triangle are three types. Biside. First one is equilateral triangle. First one is equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. And third one is scalene triangle. First, definition of equilateral triangle. A triangle which have all sides are equal. A triangle which have all sides are equal. It means, for example, triangle ABC. If this is equilateral triangle, then AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. A triangle which have all sides are equal, that is equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Isosceles triangle is what? A triangle which has any two sides are equal. Any two sides. It can be AB is equal to AC or BC is equal to AC or BC is equal to AB. It can, any two sides are equal. A triangle which has any two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. And next one is scalene triangle, a triangle which all sides are not equal. A triangle which all sides are not equal, it means AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC. A triangle which has all sides are not equal, that is scalene triangle. After these three triangles, triangle are divided into three parts. Biangle. First one is right angle triangle. A triangle which has one angle is 90 degree. A triangle which has one angle is 90 degree, that is right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, this is the right angle triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. And next one is acute angle. A triangle which have all angle is less than 90. This is acute angle. A triangle which has all angle less than 90. A triangle which has all angle less than 90, that is acute angle triangle. And the last one is, third one is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means what? A triangle which has one angle is greater than 90. That is obtuse angle triangle. So dear student, this was the classification of triangle. Try to solve all the questions which is related to this. We'll see you in the next lecture with the new topic. Till then, bye.